Think you can't draw? Don't have the time or talent? Ever wanted to create your own game art, storyboards, put your game idea onto paper with a quick sketch and be able to plan out your games around it? Well, this course is definitely for you. This course focuses on practicing the fundamental concepts of drawing in a fun and creative way. You'll be encouraged to draw along with me without being perfect, and I'll be encouraging you to create your own drawings with lots of challenges. You'll be building up techniques very gradually whilst learning the fundamentals, and this course is about enabling you to get your creative ideas down onto paper so that you can then maybe use it in a 3D program as references, or perhaps a pitch to backers, or storyboarding, some cutscenes, and so much more. Now, being a great artist is all about practice, and I can't promise you'll be able to make concept art ready for Naughty Dog or Blizzard, but what it will give you is all those fundamentals to make practice nice and easy. So one day, who knows? Once you finish this course, you'll have the skills to put objects from your imagination down onto paper, unleashing your creativity, which makes drawing a real pleasure. You can follow along with this course even if you don't have a fancy graphics tablet. Every lecture is suitable for people with pencil and paper, as well as those who have a digital drawing setup. We'll start with learning the basic fundamentals of stroke, shape, size and shade. Lots of practice creating quirky video game objects such as weapons, cars and castles. Then we'll have more fun creating simple characters. After that we'll go into 3D and I'll teach you about 1 and 2 point perspective techniques to give you a sense of depth. Then moving on to organic forms, shading, lighting, stroke thickness, human proportions, poses and loads more. So who am I? Well, I'm Grant Abbott, I'm a digital artist and I've worked in the game industry and taught games design for around 10 years. Most of you might know me through the 3D work I do and the teaching I do on my YouTube channel, Gabbett Media. Throughout my career, my 2D art skills have been vital to me, producing things such as storyboards, reference images for my 3D work, often communicating with clients, going back and forth with simple sketches, which massively improves the communication process. What I also bring to the table is my 15 years teaching experience. So I know and understand the difficulties that new artists have and how tough it can be to start learning. So as well as this, you can join the Game Dev TV community of thousands of people in the same position as you and share your work, get regular feedback and maybe find some people to team up with. The main focus is on having fun and creating things that you want to draw. We'll make a mess, we'll fail often, but we'll have fun doing it and you will greatly improve. So join me in what I really think is an accessible, fun, interesting and creative course that will bring your imagination to life. So I hope you come and join our community today.